The DJI Air 3 just leaked and it literally looks like the Mavic 3. Let's jump into it. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Anthony, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new leak of the DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 2S has by far been a very popular drone, and it's been a go-to drone for many people for many years. It really offered near the quality of the Mavic 2 Pro, and it was a lot cheaper, which has made it more attractive than DJI's flagship drones like the DJI Mavic 3. In this leak that just appeared online, it literally looks like the DJI Mavic 3. I'm sure there will be some differences, so let's jump into this. The highly anticipated DJI Air 3 has leaked fully ahead of its official announcement. The new DJI drone hit the US FCC database recently, so that means that it's going to be out in the next couple weeks. Leakers Jasper Ellens and Quadro News managed to get their hands on the complete specs, feature list, and marketing photographs of the DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 will feature a dual camera system. The successor of the Air 2S will not feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Instead, we are getting two 1 and 1.3-inch sensors with different focal lengths. One is a wide-angle camera, and the other is a 3x medium telephoto. Expect 48 megapixel stills and up to 4K at 60 frames HDR video from both cameras. The max video specification is 4K at 100 frames per second. Additionally, both cameras will support 2.7K vertical shooting to facilitate easy sharing of content on social media. The DJI Mini 3 Pro has been a drone that I've used in my business because of the vertical camera. Increasingly with Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, if you're running a media business, I'm sure you're aware that clients are looking for this vertical media now. So we've really had to adapt. And unfortunately, the DJI Mini 3 Pro the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3 do not have the ability to shoot vertical video. So the fact that this does shoot vertical video makes it a very attractive option, especially upgrading from a drone like the Mini 3 that I have behind me over here. It will also support 10-bit D-Log, M, and 10-bit HLG color modes. So we know that the max flight time with the Air 3 will have 46 minutes and a better range courtesy of improved video transmission technology. Leaks point to the max range of 20 kilometers with increased stability and a 1080p 60 frames per second live feed video. There's also a battery charging hub with a power transfer feature. According to leak specs, you will only need to press and hold the function button to transfer the remaining power from multiple batteries to the battery with the highest remaining power, meaning you can get more fully charged battery in situations where charging options are limited. That is really innovative and really cool. Safety and intelligent flight features. So it will have APAS 5.0 for enhanced security, allowing even beginners to fly with confidence. Basically, that's their suite of sensors that are around the drone. And then it'll include the things that we're used to, like focus track, quick shots, master shots, night mode, hyperlapse, slow motion, and smart photo 3.0. Air 3 will use this new smart photo 3.0 in single shot mode by default. With this, the drone can automatically select among HDR, hyperlight, and scene recognition according to the scenario for better imaging results. Air 3 will also get waypoints. So that's pretty much it for the leak. Basically, that is a huge leak that we're hearing out of DJI right now with the Air 3, and seeing how popular the Air 2S was and seeing all of the innovative features they're bringing to the Air 3, this drone is probably going to do very well. And especially the fact that it kind of brings together the features of a Mini 3 Pro and a Mavic 3 Pro. And it kind of brings those features together without giving you all the features of the Mavic 3. I do really like that they're including the 3x camera on the Air 3 instead of the 7x camera. Personally, on my Mavic 3 Pro, I use the 3x camera a lot more now than the 7x camera. But I will say that 7x camera is very useful, especially with the Mavic 3 Pro, because it now shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. So I really do like having the 7x, but if I had to choose between the two, I would definitely choose the 3x camera. Really cool. Love that it shoots vertical. After reading this leak, I'm definitely considering purchasing one just off of the leak alone. So very exciting stuff here from DJI, a company that does continue to innovate in really awesome ways. When I got my Mavic 3, it wasn't up to par with my expectations in the beginning. I even had a popular video going over that, but as time went on, they did software updates. You know, they've really created a very solid drone and very solid platform with the Mavic 3. And now they can build off that with these other drones like the Air 3 and the Mini 4 Pro, or I'm sorry, the Mini 4. They didn't call it a Pro. I'm sure there will be a Pro version, but anyway, very exciting to see what DJI has coming up. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss when I create a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up so that it ranks higher in the algorithm. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. So have you ever been on the road, either on a road trip, flying your drone, or working for a client and you need to keep your batteries charged? Well, All Powers has a solution. They sent me their R600 compact portable power station, which includes 299 watt-hours capacity, 400 watts of max fast charging, and 10 outputs for charging multiple devices. This includes 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, 2 DC output, 1 car cigarette lighter, and a 15-watt wireless charger with an output of up to 600 watts. All Power's R600 outdoor generator is specifically designed for charging laptops, drones, and other outdoor electronics. Power your outdoor adventures without worry. Recharge the battery pack from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. There's even an app, and it has the ability to recharge itself using solar. For more information on the R600 portable battery pack, or if you're interested in purchasing, please make sure to check out my links in the description below. And when you go on their website, be sure to use my coupon code to get 20% off your order.